Cache Laputa up some distance. Who knows how high up we are? I have no idea where we are. Here's a sweet view of the stream. All those pockets, man. Looks sweet. Hey, nice. Get out of the water too here. Little rainbow, not too bad on the chubber. Here's the storm coming to get us. Hopefully it just blows over real quick. We'll be ready to jump out of the water though. Thunderstorms are no joke. Hey! Hey, that was decent. It's not a bad bow. Maybe 10 inch, 11 inch. We got the backside of my net, but not a bad fish. Another look from the top here. Sweet section of this canyon. Oh, that was almost really bad. That was pretty lucky, man. That easily could have been super messed up leg. Let's not do that again. Woo! That'll get the adrenaline pumping. Nice rainbow. Pretty good fish. Almost died, but got a fish out of it, so it worked. Here's the map of the area. We were sort of above the junction, but below the falls in that stretch somewhere. And the storm was threatening, but it cleared out and turned into a great day. We caught just countless numbers of fish on this day. Had a great weekend on the Cache. This is actually the same weekend we fished Big South, just the day before we went up there with my parents. But thanks again for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time. Fish. Yeah, nice, man. It's a real nice fish. 12. Gotta redo the marks on my net. That's a pretty good fish. See you, buddy.